What makes what would appear to be an everyday type wallet stand out from those around them? Well, I'll show you as we look at the Westaur Bifold wallet. It's made in Croatia.
Ooh, this is nice!
Another Westaur Leather wallet. This is the Bifold. And we can get it out here. Here we go. Beautiful. You can see the stitching, which I've really come to appreciate, that Philip has done with his wallets. Nice burnishing on here as well. Can open it up and pull this out. This is a black and red. It also comes with green thread. I specified the green thread. Kind of Christmassy, isn't it? It also comes in a black and brown, brown and black. No, a lot of selection there, but you know, anyway. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is good. Nothing on the exterior by way of features. If we come to the interior, we have 6 internal card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, you know, these 2 in the middle count for that. So 6 internal card slots. And then we have a internal billfold pocket right here. And you've got the flesh side of the leather. It's smooth. It's just really awesome. And so this is 5+ notes. Fits most currencies. We'll see how that comes together. It measures 3.7 by 3.8 by 0.5 and weighs 78 grams or 2.75 ounces. Not bad, we've got 8 cards in there. Company recommends 6 to 12 cards. Each pocket really can hold up to 2 cards in here. And then the cash works. If the height is not above 9 centimeters, then you should be fine. And so most currencies will work just fine in this model. As I've kind of been alluding to, there are some wallets that seem like others, but there are small distinctions that still make them stand out. Let me show you about this one. Designed and made in Croatia. If you don't know where Croatia is, then look it up. It's a beautiful country with a turbulent but rich history. This is a full-grain veg-tanned Pueblo leather from the Badalasi Carlo tannery in Italy. It's a full aniline, more supple leather with an amazing grain striations on it, with a smooth grain and flesh side. So the flesh side here is really nice and smooth. It's not totally shaven down, but it's enough to where you know that this is the flesh side, but it's just good to the touch. This leather is dyed all the way through. So it sits in the dye, it goes all the way through the leather. It's not just surface dyed. As I mentioned before, hand stitched with a very nice tight hold distance. And it's all very, very uniform. It doesn't tend to wander at all from the hole punches. And the burnishing is not sloppy at all. It's actually a very nicely done mid-range burnishing, not overtly shiny or glossy, but just enough to know that it was done and it's done well. And you can still see the layers of the leather in here. So I really quite like it. Price on this is $93. From an interest perspective, and there's a lot of personalization you can do in this wallet, I opted to just have the logo itself without the name of the company on there. A lot of personalizations, up to 10 characters. I like the alternating colors that we see here, the black in the exterior, then we have this red that goes all the way through and alternating, and green, like I mentioned. This is kind of a Christmassy one for me. I like the slots at a slant here. It makes it easier to get your cards out, finger and thumb access. And you know, for a wallet that is a traditional design, there's enough thought and especially quality and construction that's gone into this that really, I think, sets this apart. Wallets from all over the world. Hopefully you caught the little things that make what would appear to be normal in a bifold wallet stand out in this particular case. Now on to the final score. For quality of 5, price of 3. I think it's fair. Features of 3. It's what you'd expect from this type of wallet. Usability of 4, really not difficult, and it will perform well. And perception of 4. That gives us a great score, 4 out of 5. Are you sure you want more? I knew you would, so watch this video next, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye.